Today we're discussing a critical topic for mothers who have recently had a baby diagnosed with Hypoxic-Ischemic Encephalopathy, or HIE. Specifically, we're going to focus on the role that the electronic fetal heart monitor plays during labor and how improper use of this monitoring can, in some instances, lead a baby to suffer an HIE brain injury. Electronic fetal monitoring, or EFM, is a tool that medical professionals use to track a baby's heart rate during labor. The primary goal is to make sure that the baby is handling the stress of labor well. If the baby's heart rate starts showing abnormal patterns, this can be an indication that the baby is not receiving enough oxygen. When caught early, these signs can prompt doctors and nurses to take immediate steps, such as changing the mother's position, increasing oxygen, or deciding on whether an emergency C-section is warranted. However, in some situations, doctors and nurses may either fail to properly monitor the heart rate or respond too slowly to signs of fetal distress. This is where problems can arise. If the baby is deprived of oxygen for too long, it increases the risk of an HIE brain injury, which can lead to long-term developmental challenges for the child. The importance of fetal monitoring cannot be overstated. This tool is designed to detect problems before they become critical, but it is only effective as a tool if people are using it correctly. When medical professionals miss the warning signs or they fail to act quickly enough, the baby's health and safety are at serious risk. In cases of HIE, it's important to investigate whether the monitoring was done correctly and whether timely action was taken. So for many parents, after learning of their baby's diagnosis, they are left wondering, how did this happen? Was there something that could have been done sooner? Did the medical staff notice the signs, but they didn't act appropriately? These are the types of questions that must be explored, and it often involves looking closely at the fetal monitoring records during labor and delivery. If your child was diagnosed with HIE and you believe that medical professionals may have missed the signs, it's critical to seek answers. Understanding how the labor and delivery were handled, particularly when it comes to fetal heart monitoring, can be a key part of identifying if medical negligence or medical malpractice has occurred. I'm Marcus Boston, a birth injury lawyer, and if you have questions as to how or what caused your baby's HIE brain injury at birth from a medical legal standpoint, don't hesitate to reach out to me. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Talk with you next time. Have a great weekend, everybody.